Hey y'all, today is technically a holiday, but it was like 90 degrees instead of 105,000 degrees. So I thought I'd pop out and check out our Toll Brothers build job. And they have made some amazing progress. Well, let me spin you around and we'll take a quick peek. Let me see if I can zoom in. We've got shingles going in. We have got our exterior being prepped. It's all taped up, looking gorgeous. Let's go walk around the inside. We got a couple of guys out here working today, so we're gonna try to stay out of their way. I'm not sure what they're doing. There's your pretty front door. Can't wait till they get the glass in. Oh my gracious, they have got the textures up. Your trim around the doorway is up. The doors are in. The baseboards are going in. Look at that. You've got your lights cut, right? They haven't installed them yet, but they got them cut. Wow, this is such a dramatic difference. Now look at that entrance. You can't see it here. Let me back up. Can you see that? That is really something. There's the staircase, the media room. Man, this is totally cool. Your interior doors are up. Oh my gracious. They're even starting to do the closet work. They are really flying. They're getting a lot done. Oh, they've got the cabinets in. So cool. That's a dramatic shower, and that's just an ancillary bedroom. Let's go in here and take a quick look around. I hear the guys upstairs, so I'm gonna stay out of their way. Massive closet doors. And then here's a sweep of the family room. The camera does not do it justice. It looks amazing. They got your cabinets all taped, and they're getting ready to paint, obviously, but they've got your island in. They're actually moving it. So this is an interesting thing. The Eric sales guy called me. Him and the builder made a decision that the island was here. And so the gap between the cabinetry and the island was too narrow. They just didn't like it. So they went ahead and they moved the island, chiseled up the concrete, moved the plumbing. They're gonna reseal the concrete, move the island back just to give you an extra bit of width. That is an awesome builder. So kudos to Eric and the construction manager and Toll Brothers in general, just going that extra mile for the clients. Okay, now this is a pantry. I'm gonna see how far we can see in here, but look at this. This is a pantry, guys. And then there's like a hidden hole in there. I don't know if you can tell just how deep this pantry is. We're under, the staircase is behind us, and this is the second story that we're under. That is some serious food storage. And then we've got the fireplace over there, of course, just gorgeous. And then the back porch is messy as all get out, so I'm not gonna go out there, but look at the detail work they're putting in. That's really gonna be beautiful. Just needs to be finished and cleaned up. All right, I know they're working in here, so I'm just gonna pop in. So there's the master. And remember, this house is reflecting the latest design trend. You have the master as quiet and separate as can be. You don't even have access to the master bath here. You have to walk down this little hall and then take a left. And that is an emerging trend. There's the cabinets. Looking good. I'm gonna stay out of his way. He's in there working. But they're getting everything taped to start spraying the walls. They have got a lot of the trim. Big common area up here. Multi-purpose room, essentially. And there's the closet with the return. powder bath off of that big common room. Got a bedroom with access to the bath and a walk-in closet, just so you guys can see the size of these closets. Look, like, you really can walk into these. These are secondary bedrooms. They got lights in the, it's got regular lights in the closet, windows in the closet, and you could definitely walk into them. And then the last bedroom. Great sizes, closets. Yep, looking awesome. It is really coming along. They've got all this wood that's gonna need to be stained, right, or painted. This is stain grade, so see, that's, you see the white powder? They've been sanding it up. That was a quick tour. I don't want to get in the guys' ways. They're moving all around between rooms, getting everything taped. It really looks like they're getting ready to spray. As soon as that's painted, it's gonna have another complete different feel. I always tell my clients, you guys, the owners, that's what I mean by you guys know this because I told you, but in YouTube land, when you pour concrete, you're gonna feel like your house is too small. Then when they frame it, it feels a little better, but when the drywall goes up, it starts defining the rooms. But then when they paint them and the doors are up and the windows are in, you absolutely get a feel for what your house is really gonna look like. This house is quickly becoming a favorite of mine from the Toll Brothers because the size is just perfect for a young family, a growing family, or even a family that's, you know, done having kids and everything. That floor plan is a perfect size. It just really appeals to me, and it's looking gorgeous. All right, as always, I hope God keeps and blesses you. I hope you enjoy this brief, beautiful weather we're having because the heat's coming back, and I hope he causes his face to shine upon you. Y'all be safe and have a great week. We'll talk to you later.